Today is Saturday, July 25th, 2015. We are going into the bee box to check, see where the queen is and see how everything's progressing.
They're starting. There's some bees up here.
It was.
Yeah. Let's see if they're even starting to pull the comb out yet.
Oh.
They're moving up.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're moving up.
Okay. Let's get into the good part.
Uh-oh. Are they stuck together?
Yep, they're gluing it together.
There we go.
There we go.
Check that out.
Queen separated.
Yep. Oh, we got that stuck together too. Wow, look at all the bees.
They're building a, call that propolis.
Okay, now we're going to take some out and see how they're doing.
And they've stuck it to the bottom one too.
Did they? Wow. We need Meadow out. We need Meadow out. We need Meadow out.
Come on, Meadow.
Meadow, go.
I can't.
She's fine.
Meadow.
She's fine.
Is that water okay to drink?
Yeah. It's just water. There's some dead bees in it.
I know, but the bees are... There's a lot of them out right now. I guess she'll learn when she gets stung. Looking for the queen?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Is that honey in there?
Yeah, that's all honey.
Yeah. They're doing good.
Yeah, they're capping the top. See the white cap?
Oh, okay.
And then you can see all the honey that's not capped.
Yeah.
I'm going to set this way. They cap the honey with wax to seal it into the hive.
Put the lid on the jar.
Yep.
Our grandparents are here from Idaho for the weekend. That is our grandpa right there. And then here is our grandma taking pictures. Wow.
I think they're heavy.
I bet.
Oh, that honey on this side.
Yeah. Capping them off.
Capping them off. Wow.
I know, they're doing great.
Yeah. There's a lot of young bees on there. Little babies. Now we should start getting into the brood. The egg laying part. where we might find the queen.
I would say we need to find that queen. Because she's bigger. She's longer. We'll show you.
As soon as we find her, we'll show you.
Wow. Look at that. That is awesome.
All those that cap, that's all babies that are waiting to be born. See these ones on the bottom here?
That's because it's darker?
See these guys here that are sticking out off the bottom?
Yeah.
Those are drones. Those are the male bees that they're making.
But you can tell by the capping?
Yeah, just see how they stick up off the top?
Oh, those are white up there and they're yellow down
Yeah,
there.
the yellow or the white is the honey,
Mhm.
the yellow is the brood.
Brood meaning
Babies.
baby.
This side's loaded.
Yeah. No queen yet, though.
What did I see?
She's looking somewhere else.
Yep. She might even be below. Stuck. Whoa.
There is tons and tons of babies in here.
Oh, it might be time to split this hive up here soon.
Soon.
Those are all
Oh, look.
dark.
Did you see her?
No, look, these ones are just hatching. See them
Yep,
coming out?
Yep, coming out.
Just starting to emerge.
Wow. That is so cool.
Those are drone bees.
Yeah,
The
look at that one
males.
struggling to come out.
Yep. See, Con?
Just hold still.
They're not going to come to you. Don't worry. See them on the bottom corner there?
Right down.
Yeah, see them coming out of the...
See him?
Yeah, right down, right here.
Yep.
Okay, yeah. Hold it. Let me.
Babe.
Oh, sorry, Con.
That is so cool.
You doing okay, Bob?
I'm doing fine. Need to see me shaking.
Wow. Check that out.
She's close.
I know, I was going to say, watch her be in the next one.
Yeah, she's close.
Good.
Look in here, Bob. See inside of the cells, those are
Yeah,
the
the
little
eggs.
larvae.
Yeah.
Yeah, they haven't capped them. When they get to 3 or 4 days old, they cap them like that, and then they go into their cocoon and do their deal. There is eggs. This thing is loaded with eggs. She's definitely doing her job.
Mama's working.
Yes, she is. Good. That's a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
Make us some honey.
Earning her keep.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Got a glue bomb.
Yeah.
females except the drone.
The drones are just there to.
Drones are only there for mating
Mating.
purposes. This one's gonna be solid honey.
Yep.
Oh crap.
Oh, wow. Check that out.
Oh, it's heavy.
I don't see her.
Look at all that. That's gonna be solid honey on this backside.
Yep.
Yeah.
She's not gonna be where the honey's
No.
at, so.
That's why I said I don't see her.
She's there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We just want to find her.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
I've missed her before.
Yep.
Looked right over her. Most of them, when you buy bees, the queens come marked with a dot of pink
Yeah.
on them.
So you know.
But our queen didn't come marked.
They figured you were next one.
See the drone? That's a drone bee. See how big his eyes are?
Yeah.
And how, there's another one. See how big they are compared to the others?
See you soon, water.
Okay, now why is the outer frame, there's not much honey on
Well,
it?
they don't. The last thing that they pull out is the outside frames
Okay.
because it's harder to keep these frames as warm as it is these frames. So,
Now you gotta put the other frames back in.
yeah.
Are you going into the next one?
The other one down there, underneath.
We have to, because we think there's some.
I just want to check out that one. We haven't checked that bottom one in a month.
I know.
Now, does she progress, like start at the bottom and work her way up? In other words, is there an order to,
Well, when we first got them, the only box that was there was this bottom box. And as they started to grow the hive, we added this second box. And they've filled it, as
Okay.
you can see.
so it's, okay, and then you just build it like building story on story.
Yep. She's barking at the door.
She wants in.
You gotta go in.
No. Oh.
Whoa! Sorry, a whole bunch of bees just fell off. That was cool. You saw that, Connie?
Yeah.
Meadow.
Smashing all these bees.
Now, are they more agitated than usual, or is this pretty much how they are each time you've gone?
This is pretty much
Yeah.
normal. I mean, they probably are a little more aggravated because
Yep.
we're in here a little longer than we've
Than
been.
normal.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's been almost 15 minutes. Usually we're done by about 10 minutes.
But we haven't had this much to check yet either.
Right, right. So
There's a lot.
Go in, it's going to take longer because
Right.
the hive's bigger.
You've got that rotated.
What's that?
You have this frame rotated.
Oh, I was trying to push the other frame back or out of the way. Okay. Got on.
I assume this is going to be a quick trip.
So we
Yeah.
got to find the queen now still. Hey!
Meadow!
Okay, I was trying not to do that while we were
Sit
taping.
downstairs.
Yeah, do you want to bring her down here?
Come on now.
She can't get down the stairs, so
This box I'm gonna set right there, so.
you better hope it doesn't fall.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, we haven't seen this one in a long time.
Looks like they just moved upstairs.
Yeah.
Well, these outside ones they don't draw them as
Mm-mm.
fast.
Now there doesn't appear to be as many bees down on the bottom.
They're starting to pull out now. Put some honey in it.
The next one.
Meadow. She's playing in the water. They're all around her. She's gonna get stung.
She'll learn.
Come on, Meadow.
Some brood. Oh, that's pollen actually. Stored pollen.
Oh, she just got one.
Oh,
Meadow.
Get her out of here.
did she eat one?
No, they're surrounding
Come
her.
on, Meadow.
Go. Sorry, Meadow. I didn't mean for you to do that. Go.
Come on.
She got by the box, and I think they're just like, you're not supposed to be here.
You're not welcome.
Yeah.
Go, Meadow.
You're too close to our hive.
I just want to make sure.
See Daddy playing again.
Yep.
Get that one.
I know, yeah, you got her.
Meadow. Meadow.
Just leave her there.
Okay. I just don't want her getting stung too
No,
bad.
If she'll learn. Just like Albie.
Where'd she get?
We didn't have a beehive. What are you doing?
There's a spider on my foot.
Oh.
He didn't tell us what was really there.
That was a spider. Back on my foot.
If I believe that, would you tell me another one?
Yeah.
Come over here, Meadow. Oh, you got a bee on you. Come on, Meadow. Hey, Meadow. No, don't eat them.
Oh, she's got a bee on her.
Come here.
Come on, out.
That
On her
pollen or-
front part,
That's
on her
food
underbelly,
and
she's
pollen.
got a bee.
It's gone. She's gonna have to learn.
Should have just left her up on the porch.
Well,
No queen yet.
You're gonna have a hard time seeing her.
Actually, once you get close, she's pretty easy to find.
yeah.
You just gotta make sure you're close. Sorry, buddy. See her on that one.
Come on, Queen. Where are you? We know you're here. I think there's just so many of them that we might have looked her over. Holy cow.
That's not what I wanted to do either. Must have missed her.
We had to have. I mean, things are getting done, so it's not like we don't have her.
Right.
Now, are some of the cells just for her to put the eggs in?
Yep.
And then some of the cells are for honey, or?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
I was gonna say there's some at the end. You might not want to do that.
All right. This sauce, don't forget.
It's this one, yeah. The heavy one. Oh. Oh. I don't want to see you smashed.
Some of them got squished.
Yeah, I know. It happens though. It's hard not to. You know, you got so many of them.
Yep.
Now they're getting agitated.
So bad.
Yeah. You can tell they're not happy. It's not. Are you getting stung over there?
Nope.
Oh.
You okay, Bob?
I'm fine, just getting room to work. Going back in.
Yep. Okay, never mind. Yep, putting it back together. We'll check it back in what, about another week or two?
Yep.
See if we can find the queen since she's hiding out.
Well, there wouldn't be new babies if there wasn't a...
Exactly. Yeah, so she's there. It's just there's just so many. She's not marked. But she's definitely there, definitely doing her job.
Your lid is not on square lid, huh?
What?
Your lid's not flat.
Oh, that's the way it is.
Okay.
I had one crawling up my leg.
Did you?
Sorry, Connie.
That's it.
That's it.